Developers who don't understand system design will be the first to be replaced by AI. The ones who do master it will design scalable systems and stay future proof. Let's learn system design before it's too late. Hello, system architects. My name is Aniket and welcome to the Learniket. Today we are going to learn what, why, and how about the system design. So let's start it. Let's first understand what is a system. System is a group of parts that works together to achieve a goal. Let's take a real-time example of car. Car has an engine which moves the car, brakes to stop the car, wheels to enable the motion, and steering to guide the car. Together, they achieve the safe travel. Now, let's relate this with the software systems. In software systems, we have load balancer which distributes the requests, application servers run the business logic, databases to store the data, and caching layer speeds up the response. Together, they achieve reliable, scalable, efficient user experience. Now let's understand why system design. So as a developer, usually we start small, writing scripts, building features, and maybe deploying a small app. Everything works fine for a handful of users, but then user grows, requests flood in, data explodes, system crashes. Then suddenly code that worked on development doesn't scale on a production. So how do the companies like Netflix, Instagram, or Amazon build a system that handles millions of users without breaking? That's what the system design is all about. Thinking beyond the code, designing an architecture that balance the scalability, reliability, performance, and the cost. Now let's understand how system design is done. So it's done by planning and arranging the different technical components to achieve the scalability, reliability, and the performance. And the technical components are the API gateways, service layer, database layer, caching layer, file or the blob storage, then adding a monitoring and the observability tool, CDN, likewise the different components. So as a part of this system design basic series, we will be covering each and every component involved in the system design. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel Learniket. Thank you.